Nature's Hymn to the Deity by John Clare. All nature owns with one accord the great and universal Lord. The sun proclaims Him through the day, the moon when daylight drops away. The very darkness smiles to wear the stars that show us God is there. On moonlight seas soft gleams the sky, and God is with us, waves reply. Winds breathe from God's abode, we come. Storms louder own God as their home. And thunder, yet with louder call, sounds God as mightiest over all. Till earth, right loath the proof to miss, echoes triumphantly, He is. And air and ocean makes reply, God reigns on earth, in air and sky. All nature owns with one accord the great and universal Lord. Insect and bird and tree and flower, the witnesses of every hour, are pregnant with His prophecy, and God is with us, all reply. The first link in the mighty plan is still, and all upbraideth man.